Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. If you're in your 20s and you feel like your wallet is always empty, you're definitely not alone. Many of us have been there, and it can be super frustrating. But don't worry, you've come to the right place. Today I'm going to share some valuable tips that can help you manage your money better and feel more confident about your financial future. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 money tips I wish I knew in my 20s. These tips have made a huge difference in my life, and I'm sure they can help you too. So grab a pen, some paper, and let's get to it. You might want to take some notes because these tips are game changers. Tip number 1. Start budgeting, like right now. Seriously, this is the foundation of good financial health. I know, budgeting sounds as fun as watching paint dry. But it's one of those things that, once you get the hang of it, can actually be quite empowering. But trust me, knowing where your money is going every month will save you from those "where did all my money go" moments. It's all about being aware and in control. Use apps like Mint or YNAB. They make it super easy and kind of fun. These tools can help you track your spending and set financial goals. Tip number 2. Emergency fund = peace of mind. This is your financial safety net. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are good. Unexpected expenses can pop up at any time, and having a cushion can make all the difference. Having an emergency fund is like having a superhero in your bank account. It's there to save the day when things go wrong. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This might seem like a lot, but start small and build it up over time. If your car breaks down or you suddenly need to replace your laptop, you'll be covered. No more panic attacks over unexpected bills. Tip number 3. Invest early, even if it's just a little. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. The power of compound interest is real, folks. It's like magic, but it's math. The sooner you start, the more you'll benefit. Start with whatever you can, even if it's just a few bucks a month. Every little bit helps and adds up over time. Apps like Robinhood or Acorns make it super easy to dip your toes into the investing world. They're user-friendly and perfect for beginners. You'll thank your future self. Trust me, the earlier you start, the more grateful you'll be down the line. Tip number 4. Avoid lifestyle inflation. This is a big one that can sneak up on you. Just because you get a raise doesn't mean you should upgrade your lifestyle. It's tempting, but it's a trap. Keep your expenses the same and save the extra cash. This way, you can build your savings and investments faster. Trust me, your future self will love you for it. You'll have more financial freedom and less stress. Fancy lattes and avocado toast can wait. These small sacrifices now can lead to big rewards later. Tip number 5. Learn to cook. This might seem unrelated, but it's a huge money saver. Eating out is fun, but cooking at home can save you a ton of money. Plus, it's healthier and can be a lot of fun. Plus, you can impress your friends with your culinary skills. Hosting dinner parties can be a great way to socialize without spending a fortune. Start with simple recipes and work your way up. There are tons of resources online to help you get started. Your wallet and your waistline will both thank you. You'll feel better and save money at the same time. So there you have it. 5 money tips that can help you navigate your 20s without constantly stressing about finances. These tips are practical and easy to implement. Remember, it's never too late to start making smart money decisions. Every step you take now will pay off in the future. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. We're all in this together, and sharing knowledge is key. And drop a comment below with your favorite money-saving hacks. I'd love to hear what works for you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Stay smart, stay savvy, and take control of your financial future. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.